You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious and confusing word. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing words and names, including from the Bible, Hebrew, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Qlippoth is how it's pronounced, despite I know the spelling makes it a bit confusing, but replace the Q with a K. Qli, not lie. Qlippoth. And the TH is pronounced like just a T, the representation of evil and impure spiritual forces in Jewish mysticism. Qlippoth. Qlippoth. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.